Okay, what we are here is we're here at Honolulu, Hawaii at the Cocoa Hut Gun Range. And we're here courtesy of the Rat boys from Honolulu. We want to thank them. And we're here. Hey, say hello to the folks at home.
Hey.
We are in Honolulu. Look at all this stuff here. Another Rat boys here. Going to be on YouTube, all you guys. All right, what we're going to do here now is we're going to shoot that AR-15. Which we're going to demonstrate today. We're going to put a beer, it's non-alcoholic, right on this table, and we're going to see whether it's going to try this, the beer test here. Oh, it's so windy out here, the beer come off. We're going to try it. Pour it down the side here. Okay, who's got the timer? Okay. Okay guys, just to show you that this is not a trick. Alright, and it's still there.